YouTube, and if you're new here, hey friend. Today we're going to be doing a smoky eye fall edition. Get ready with me. Before we get into this video, I'm gonna need y'all to click that subscribe button and the notification bell so that way you can see when your girl posts videos. So first thing I'm gonna do is do my brows using the Perfect Brow. So watch me work. Okay, I at least want them to be fraternal twins, so I'm doing the best I can, especially since I'm rushed right now because I do have a reservation in like 2 hours and I gotta make a couple of stops, so yeah. So bear with me. Okay, so for the concealer, I'm gonna use the Pro Conceal by LA Girl. The best thing about brows is you can always clean them up. In the meantime, I'm gonna prime my face. So first I'm gonna go in with some sunscreen, SPF 50 by the Super Glue. Next, I'm gonna go in with the NYX Bear With Me. Almost out of this stuff. Also gonna put some on my eyelids since we are doing a eyeshadow. Today I'm gonna be using the Becca Skin Love foundation. So first I'm gonna line the top of my brows, and then after that we are going to put some on our face because we want full coverage. Okay, so next we are going to go into our eyeshadow palette because we're going to do our concealer and stuff after the smoky eye because the smoky eye can get a bit messy. So going into our Kylie Jenner palette, we have a lot of fall colors as you can see. So the first color I'm gonna go ahead and go in with is Hematite, which is the light color. So the next color I'm gonna be using is Bronzite, which is that brown color at the bottom. And I'm just gonna hit our crease with that. Okay, so next we're gonna go ahead and go in with Citron. So Citron is this orange color here. And we just want that in the midst of these colors, okay? We just want it in the midst. So that's why I'm kind of adding it to the middle, kind of in between. Okay, and let's see, last but not least, we are gonna go in with Obsidian, which is this black color. Okay, we're just gonna pat that on the bottom part of our lid. Just pat, pat, pat. And then as we're patting, we're kind of blending it too. We're kind of blending it upwards, just patting it upwards. Okay, next we're gonna take this brush and we're gonna go back into our orange color and we're just gonna blend this black in our crease. Okay, so now that the top part of our eyeshadow is done, we need to go ahead and go in with some concealer. So for those of you who watch my Ipsy videos, I am going to be going into the Complex Culture Let Up Concealer, shade M320. Okay, so now I'm gonna take one of these new beauty blenders I got from my October Ipsy bag, and I am just going to blend the rest of my concealer out. Okay, so next we are gonna go in with some Laura Mercier powder. So I'm gonna take that same beauty blender that I just used, and I'm gonna use the other side of it, and I'm just going to pat this powder in the places I want it. I don't really bake a lot anymore. I'd rather just press it in wherever I want it and kind of blend it out like so. Okay, next, taking our angled beauty blender, I'm going to go ahead and apply it to my nose. So next we're gonna go back into our eyeshadow and finish it off. So taking this citron color, the middle orange color, I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my lower lash line. Next I'm gonna take hematite and do the same. Lastly, I'm gonna take bronzite and do it. So next, going into our Douce palettes that I got from my October Ipsy Glam bag. I am going to take a different brush and I'm gonna go in with this middle top color here. It's called 65 Time Bomb, if I'm not mistaken. Either 65 Time Bomb or Glisten. You know what? Nope, it's called Glisten because it is glistening, okay? So I'm gonna take that and put that right here in the inner corner because I wanna glisten, y'all. I wanna glisten. So, you know, you wanna glisten. You want a little contrast to brighten up the smoky eye, you know? Okay, so next we are going to conceal. Going into our Love You First Perfect Duo, we are going to conceal our nose and our cheeks. Next, going into our hip dot, we are going to apply the blush. The blushes we typically mix. Okay, so now that our blush is done, next we're gonna go in with some eyeliner. Okay, so for the eyeliner, I'm gonna be using the Ruby Kisses waterproof eyeliner. Okay, so next we are gonna be going in with some mascara on our lower lashes. So I'm gonna be going in with the Falsies. Okay, so next I'm gonna be going in with the Mishko Beauty lip balm, the fancy lip balm, because it looks like lipstick. And now I'm gonna be going in with the Revolution Super Fix Super Holding Spray Misting Spray. Okay, so next we are gonna start on this hair. So first, what I'm gonna do is lay my edges using the Edge Effect by Magic Brand. This is another reason why I don't like putting foundation on my forehead, because when it's time to lay them edges, I don't want no little crusty stuff popping up from my foundation. I just don't like it. It's not a good look. Do a little baby hairs, a little fancy, because y'all know I don't go all out for baby hairs. Because one, I don't know how to do it, and two, why? Like, why? It's no need. It's no need. Okay, so now we can comb out this hair. You want to start from the bottom and work your way up when it comes to curly wigs or curly hair in general. It's been a while since I've combed out this wig, so feeling a lot of tension here. And that's my bad. Now, if you like your curls poofy like this, then I would say comb it out. Put a little shine on it, like oil, and then go about your business. But today I'm doing more of a wet look. So I'm gonna be adding some stuff to it. Hi. Okay, so now you want to spray it. I love this spray bottle because it's so misty. It doesn't get you super wet when you spray. It's like perfect. Because you just want the hair damp. You don't want it wet. Okay, so now we're going to take this and just pull it a little bit. Okay, so now we have the wet waves all done. All right, so now we got our edges laid, hair sprayed. And now I'm gonna go find the outfits. Be back in a snap. So this is the final look. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to hit the big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that way you can see videos.